welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi. I love to come and have my second cup of coffee with you on Fridays because I can. All week I've been talking about emotions and how beneficial it is to feel your emotions, and it's so interesting. Last night I tried to just sit because I was like, okay, let me do this again because last week was so successful. I had such a breakthrough. So last night I said, let me just sit here and process some stuff. Well, I fell asleep. So there's that. But they say that an emotion is just like a wave in the sea. It comes and then it goes, comes and recedes. And I guess an emotion is like a 90-second hormonal reaction in your body, and if you can ride it, if you can name it, even better. And if you can just feel it, then your body doesn't have to store it. So I was thinking about that today. It's kind of like when you sit in the surf and the waves come and go. They just like, it's so relaxing. It's so wonderful, depending on how much waving is going on. But that, as opposed to sitting on a seawall where the waves come and crash, 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 and you're not, and like, just, if you're not processing the emotion, if you don't have time to process it, it's like sitting on the seawall. It's crash, 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 and your body has to take it and deal with it, stuff it, which ultimately is no good because it's still there. You just gotta, it's still there until you take the time to process it. So it's so much better just to sit in the surf and feel the emotion in 90 seconds. Name it if you can. Oh, it's lawn day. It's gonna get loud around here. I've been working on, and it's been amazing. One thing, like, I'm not a crier, and it's not like I like force myself not to cry. It just doesn't happen tons. But when it comes to processing emotions, I have found that essential oils are very helpful. Like, there is this one called Release that, for someone who is not a crier, this is a good one to have in your pocket. What kind of emotion is a weed whacker? Yeah. That one feels a little bit like frustration, anger. Which are both beneficial and necessary at times, especially to get a nice edge on your sidewalk. But, like, seriously, 90 seconds and it's gone. So, like, I probably shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna do it. So, like, with Release, all I do is put is it empty? That's what happens. All my oils are empty. I just put it in my hands and I smell it. And the way smell works with your brain, with your emotions, is the smell goes into your olfactory nerve, into the amygdala of your brain, which is the seat of your emotions, or not the seat of your emotions, but where your emotions reside. And I heard it said that your brain, when you're dealing with emotions and then you smell a smell, apparently your brain will drop the emotion and focus on the smell. So it's kind of like another tool in the box of processing emotions, like not only being able to then to add a powerful natural smell along with it, it just helps to ride the wave. I know one time I used this oil and I don't know, I just said, oh, let me try it. And then, like, through the day, I had these crocodile tears just flowing, and I'm like, what is your problem, Chica? No judgment. It's just I'm not a crier, so when it happens, I'm a little shocked by it. And I was, yeah, it was interesting because I had an exchange with someone and it was good, it was positive, but afterward the tears were just flowing, and it was so interesting how that conversation had brought up some stuff. So it's powerful if you need help processing the emotions, processing the feels. So those are a couple of things. Sit quietly, don't fall asleep, and use some tools to help you if that's what you need. So hey, tonight is book club number 2. It's going to be on Zoom. I am putting the recording into the Nest Pretty group on Facebook, so you can always check it out after the fact if you like. It's been fun. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty and my second cup of coffee. Yeah, next week I'm going to start talking about labels, because I learned a whole bunch about that this week. Because if you don't process your emotions, your body stores it, and that's when we start having real problems. And our liver is one of those organs that love to hang on to anger and frustration. Our liver loves weed whacking and just hangs on to it. So, and I'm all about right now giving my liver all the love and tenderness that I can. So I'm done. I'm almost done with my coffee. I hope you have a fantastic day and enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your cup of coffee. Enjoy your processing of emotions. And maybe I'll see you tonight on the book club. Bye.